Going through an IVF treatment, of course, is also emotionally challenging. So, to deal with such challenges, you need willpower and, of course, great gut. And to know more about that, I have with me here today Dr. Rashmi Yogesh, who is the MD of Kushi Fertility Centre. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, first of all, going through an IVF treatment is, of course, emotionally very challenging. So I think they need some kind of a counseling, and of course, because when you see it in a society perspective, it of course has some pros and cons. So how what would you like to tell about such emotionally challenging things and all in IVF treatments?
Yeah, I think addressing the emotional aspect of infertility is a very important thing, and I'm very glad that you're asking me this. When women have to go through treatment to get pregnant, they consider that a very unfortunate thing in their life. There are two things that prop up in their mind. The first thing is why, and second, why me? Why am I going through all this? When all women in this world can conceive with pleasure, why do I have to go through so much of pain to get pregnant? This is something that will come in any lady's mind, and it's the most difficult thing for her to face this. And I see that lots of women actually lose their self-esteem when they're trying to conceive, when when they are unable to do it. They go through treatment and they go through with so much of hope that they'll surely be able to achieve pregnancy when they go through advanced treatment like IVF. Alas, IVF is also not 100%, and it's only about 35 to 40% of women who go through IVF who actually take a healthy baby back home. And when the take home baby rate is so low, you can imagine that there are another 65% of women who are actually unfortunate and who have not been able to conceive in the first go of IVF. And these are the women who really need a lot of emotional support. I would definitely call IVF as a journey of the couple and not just the lady. I see that both husband and wife go through emotional turmoils in this journey. When the problem is with the lady and when the problem is with the man, both of them try to take it very personally, which should not. Infertility or subfertility is always a couple problem. It cannot be pinpointed to the husband or the wife. Surprisingly, now with all the knowledge that we have, we've got to realize that infertility is something which is a couple problem and also a combination problem.